Let's talk about the best meme coin trading bot called AXIOM Pro. If you've been following crypto markets, you've probably seen lots of bullx users moving to Axiom because they're faster with new features. And of course, meme coin trading space is moving extremely quick. There's lots of new tools, lots of new bots. That's why today I'm going to show you why professionals are switching to AXIOM Pro and also how you utilize all these features to, of course, maximize your profits. So first of all, let's jump into the AXIOM Pro. If you want to start using this bot, you can find the link in the description. If you use my link, you'll get 10% discount on all the trading fees forever. So of course, use my link. First of all, when you start using this bot, it will kind of remind you other bots like Nazza or bullx. But what's really cool with Axiom, they have some additional features which will make your life easier and also will help you make more educated guesses, trades, because you get more information in one place. And let's start our Axiom tutorial right here at the bottom called Pools. This is the place where the meme coin traders make most of their money. So right here we have three of these dashboards. So first one is new pairs, basically all the new tokens. Next up we have final stretch. These are the tokens close to graduation. And last one is migrated. These are bigger tokens that already bonded. And like with any other bot, you have additional features. But again, what's really big benefit to the AXIOM Pro, they have more features, more filters, and this will help you find these meme coin gems because we have millions of tokens. And of course, the more filters you have, the more great filters you have, the better tokens you'll find. So right here, you can find all the tokens from different protocols. Again, really great because you can get all these tokens in one place. And also right here, you can see all of these free settings. So we have new pairs right here, final stretch in the middle, and all the migrated tokens right here. So you can filter your features on each of these rows. And we have lots of features. So we have protocols like Bonk, Boop, Pump.Fun, Launch Labs, Radium, Moonshot. All the popular settings are here. Next up, you can actually add some different keywords or you can exclude some keywords. So this could be beneficial if you're aiming, for example, for Trump tokens, for pets tokens. For example, if you have some kind of trend right now in the market, you can actually look for only that trend and be early. Next up, we have DEX paid. We have some different metrics, socials. You can enter age. You can enter percentage of top 10 holders. So all the main filtering options are available. So apply now. Next up, they have really great personalization because if you click right here, display, you can set up small or large display. I use large one. Next up, we have free options for our buy button right here. So you can do it small, large, or mega. I actually use large because I think mega is too much, even though I have 27-inch screen. Next up, we have customizable rows. So you can see what you want to see on the first glance. So you can actually copy what I have on the screen if you want to copy my settings. Let's remove it. So you can see under all of our tokens, we have lots of information and some of it is red and some of it is green. So basically, if you see red, usually it's an insider token, it's a rug, something shady is happening with this token, and of course you don't want to buy these types of tokens. But if you have any questions, you can actually hover on all of these settings. So you can see for this one, top 10 holders are holding 7% of the supply, 0% is held by the dev, you can see also 0% is held by the insiders, and bundle is holding 7%, which I think is not bad for a meme coin token because lately the meme tokens are becoming more and more shady. That's why it's really important to know when to enter and also when to exit because you don't want to be holding these tokens too long because everyone is trying to get you. So guys, be always vigilant. Next up, we have some really unique features from Axiom because we have wallet tracker and Twitter tracker. So let's start with the wallet tracker. Basically, right here, you can add different wallets you found. For example, insiders, influencers. Right here, you can see I have Orangey, Ansem, and some other insider wallets. And actually, we have a full insider wallet list. We can actually track all the biggest influencers, insiders, and traders and copy their trades. You can find this list in our Crypto Elite group. The link is in the description. In that group, we also have VIP trading signals and we have really amazing crypto courses. So don't miss out, the link in the description, and right now we have a big discount. So when you input these wallets, you can actually have live trades right here. You can actually make it smaller. So for example, if you're trading right here, you can actually sometimes look at the left and you can see what are these insiders buying. For example, you will see some big traders buying a token. You can actually click right here and instant buy the same token. And of course, this gives you a better probability of making money on your trade. Next up, up, as I mentioned, we have Twitter tracker. If you click right here, that opens a tab on the right, and you can actually add different Twitter accounts to follow. So you can see if you click add Twitter handles, just add different Twitter handles you want to follow. And right here, you will see different tweets from these accounts. And again, this is really cool because on the left, you see all the insider trades. On the right, you can see what these insiders and influencers are talking about. And with all this info on the screen, you have a really good chance to buy these tokens super early before everyone else because you're getting this information instantly. Next up, we have some more features. For example, we have buy and sell presets. You can click right here and you can see we have 3 presets. Again, you can copy them. Basically, this allows you to create 3 different options for buy and sell fees. So for example, if you have some really trending token, of course, you want to up the fees because there's more people buying and selling. And if you want to make money, of course, you want to buy as quick as possible and also sell. But for example, if you have some bearish token or bear market, you don't want to spend that much money on buying this token because there is no competition and any transaction at any price will come through. So my preset 1 is pretty quick and my preset 3 is pretty slow. And of course, the slow one costs me less to execute. So again, really cool setting. This will save you money on some less hype tokens and make you money on some more hype tokens because your transaction will come through quicker. Next up, if we're talking about some really unique features, we have Perpetuals inside our trading bot. And Perpetuals means you can actually trade with leverage. So for example, if you want to trade $100 and use 10x leverage, you're trading 10 times more. So if you're right about your trade, you're making 10x more. If you're wrong about your trade, you're losing your money also 10x faster. So with this feature, you get more risk, but also more rewards. But in my opinion, if you're a beginner, never start from the futures or Perpetuals. This is more professional feature. And lastly, I want to talk about rewards because AXIOM Pro actually rewards users for trading. And if you're trading with AXIOM, you're also getting more features with more volume. So for example, on this account, I already made 1.2 Solana just from trading. And you can see we have different quests. So trade 15 more Solana in volume, and this will give you 3,000 points. Make 25 more transactions. This will give me 500 points. And all of these points at the end of the day will give me Solana reward. So just to sum up, AXIOM Pro gives you really cool features, all the filtering settings. It gives you unique features like wallet tracker and Twitter tracker because this will let you copy trade professional traders. Next up, we can create really great presets for buying and selling tokens. We have Perpetuals. At the end of the day, we're also getting rewarded for using this platform. So guys, don't remember the link in description. If you use my link, you get 10% discount on all the fees. And also don't forget to join our VIP group. Link in description, Crypto Elite, best signals, best tutorials, best courses. And also we have a full list of insider wallets. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.